or a chest harness on him when we walk him because he just has, you know, very large muscles, but he's a sweet, sweet boy. Come here, Thor. You guys smell everything? You guys smell everything? Yes. Hi. Hi, love bug. Yes. Oh, sweet. Thank you. Can you sit? Come here. Thor. Sit. Hey. Sit. Good boy. Shake. Good boy. Shake. Shake. Good boy. Oh, hello. Yes, kisses. Yeah, you want to play? You like to play? And he likes other doggies? Yes, you do. And he doesn't mind kitty cats?
Thor.
Come here. But obviously he loves to sniff things. Yes, you do. Come here, Thor. Yes. Yeah, and he loves to